In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a share from a pie in Trading 212. So in case you have a pie, and then inside your pie, you have some different shares and you would like to sell a share, basically what you'll see is you actually don't have a sell button on that individual specific share. So the first thing you're going to have to do is basically you will have to remove that share from a pie, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you want to go inside your pie, and then in here, what you're going to have to do is not press this edit pie button, but you want to tap on these three dots at the very top right. So you want to just tap on those three dots, click on them, and then what you'll see from here is a bunch of options. What you want to do over here is click on Export Investments, and then once you click on Export Investments, you'll see different investments. Now, once you're on this page, you want to select the investment you would like to export out of your pie, and then basically sell it. So you can choose whichever one of these, of course, you want, and then once you tap on it, you want to click on Next, and then you want to simply click on Confirm down here. And after you do this, you'll simply have to rebalance your holdings up here. And then once you rebalance and kind of readjust these holdings over here, you can essentially just make it a bit less of the share you would like to sell. And once you basically lower the percentage of that share you would like to sell, simply click on Confirm down at the very bottom. And then once you do this, go inside your own shares, and then inside the shares, find the share you would like to sell. And now when you tap on it, you will see there's now a sell button, and you'll be able to sell it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.